Hey everyone, Jake here for Extreme Terrain, and in this video we're taking a look at the front bumper end applique for the driver's side of 2018 and newer JL Wranglers, excluding 4xe models. This is a great little piece for the JL owner who's looking to replace their bumper applique. Whether you're doing it to black out your Jeep's front end or just to replace a factory part, this is an inexpensive way to improve the appearance of your JL's front end. If your Jeep came stock with the silver trim on the bumper, chances are good that you want to change that. Enter this little piece right here. This is essentially a like-for-like replacement of the stock part, just in black instead of silver. So if you're blacking out your Jeep, this is an easy way to get that part of the job taken care of. Likewise, if your bumper got damaged and you're in need of a replacement, this is essentially the same as what you could get from your dealer. It's made to fit just like factory too, so you can just pop the old one off, clip this new one right in its place. No fuss, no muss. This is the one for the driver's side, but of course we do offer the exact same thing for the passenger side of your JL as well, and that is available separately on our site too, should you want or need both. Construction here again is essentially the same as stock. This is made from ABS plastic and it comes with all the proper clip points molded in, making for an easy installation. And of course, it's finished and ready to go just like this right out of the box, so you can just pop it on and go about your day. Pricing comes in at about $50, which is less expensive than what you pay for the same part from your dealer, making this a pretty solid deal. As always, I'm a big fan of anything that makes a visual improvement for less than $100, and this certainly ticks the right boxes. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 10 minutes to complete. This is a very simple clip-on part, so you just need to pry your old one off and then pop this one right in its place. And to show you how to get that done, let's hand things over now to one of our XT customers.
And right, bumper, end cap, aquaplay, front and left. This is the left one for the driver's side, and that one is the right for the passenger side. In black, the silver ones are going because we blacked everything out, and it's going on a 2020 Jeep Sahara Wrangler, and it's a JL. And again, these are from Extreme Terrain. They're great to deal with these people. Prompt shipping, and I'm going to show you all you need to install is a flathead screwdriver, and you just squeeze it very easy. You don't need to, because they'll break, because they're cheap though. There's plastic, they'll break you. So that one's off. Here's the new one. You don't have to push too hard. You don't want to break it. And you're going to hear it clip in. And that's it. That one's in. Now we'll do the passenger side. And that's the passenger side one. But I can't put this one on because the clip broke that's here. So I have to stop and take the clip out, which is a pair of pliers. So you're gonna have to hang on while I do that. Usually they come out with it, but in this case they're not. And that's it. That's out. Now I'm gonna install the right side. And that's it. Very simple. Anyone can do it, and they look awesome.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the front bumper end applique for the driver's side of 2018 and newer JL Wranglers, excluding 4xe models. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Jeep, be sure to keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.